Are you looking for the best way to create a professional modern resume using LaTeX? In this video, I will share the number one platform that makes it super easy, Overleaf. Overleaf is an online LaTeX editor that lets you create resumes without installing anything on your computer. You just sign up, choose from thousands of resume templates, and start editing on your browser. The best part, Overleaf updates your resume in real time and you can download it instantly as a polished PDF. It also supports collaboration, so if you want feedback from friends or mentors, they can edit with you live. Whether you are applying for tech research or academic jobs, LaTeX resumes look clean, professional, and stand out compared to Word templates. Overleaf gives you that extra edge. So, if you want a modern professional resume, try Overleaf today. I will leave the link in the description for you to get started with free templates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thank you.